If you have more than one Gmail account in your iPhone, and if you want to know from which Gmail account you have received notifications for new email without looking at the phone, then what you do is go to Gmail application, and then you will be logged in with one Gmail account. Tap on this more option here. After that, go to settings, go to email notifications, go to notification sounds, and here you set one kind of notification sound for this Gmail account, for example classic, and then done. After that, what you do, tap on this profile icon here and select another Gmail account, and again here also go to this more option here, and you have to go to settings, go to email notifications, go to notification sounds, and for this another Gmail account you have to select another notification sound, for example welcome, and then select done. So once you have set two different notification sounds for two different Gmail accounts, then you will be able to know from which Gmail account you have received notifications for new email without looking at the phone.